Hey Kevin, I just thought I'd show you what this language translate stuff looks like when it's working. So there are three main areas now in kind of in production or when you're developing a system. All these three items would be put together into one call. So, but I like to kind of separate them out while putting everything together. So here we go and get the language dictionary tags from a particular UX component. So the UX component gets loaded, we run through it and get all the tags, and so we know what we're dealing with. So we just hit that button and it comes back and says our language dictionary tags are loaded. And that's loaded into a variable in the dialog namespace. And then step number two, we take those tags and the languages that we've selected are French, Spanish, and Portuguese. So we take those language tags and we hit this button, and that goes out to Google Translate and brings back all the language tags translated for those three languages. You can see it's pretty fast. And then we hit this button, and that actually writes all the language tags out to the text dictionary that Alpha's established. And then here, I'm just going to open up a UX, and this opens it up and shows us English. And this is all for the label stuff. And then we'll pick Spanish. So there's our Spanish stuff. And then we'll pick French. And there's our French translations. Now, of course, the translations may not be perfect because they are Google, and Google's doing its best, but it's a good start, and it saves a ton of time creating those entries in the tables. Now all you have to do is pick the odd one that doesn't look right, and go ahead and change it. And what else is there? And this is all set up in the project properties for text dictionary table settings. Here you specify the connection string and the actual table that you want to create, and then you go ahead and you map the fields out. In the table itself, there are three columns: key, language, and data. And you can call the table anything you want. You can call the columns anything you want, but you just map them in here to the three data data items that Alpha is expecting. And that's it. Thanks for having a look.